Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you switch between your accounts in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this home page where you have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after that choose your profile. Now after choosing your profile or user center, you will get to see this data like icon into the top right corner. You just simply have to tap into that icon, and after that you will get this page to switch account. You can check between main and sub account from this page, and if you go into this other side you will get to see accounts on this device, and in this page you can check all of the accounts that you have, and from this section just simply select any of the account which you would like to switch to. Otherwise you can also log in another account by tapping into this button. This way you can easily switch between accounts in Bitget. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.